Good day everyone. We'll be looking at using sequence and series to express recurring decimals in the lowest term, of course in the fraction form. My name is Teacher Ben and welcome to Teach Me Maths. So now, having the recurring decimal 0.1576, what does these three dots mean? Now these three dots simply means that the numbers on which the dots can be found are recurring. Okay, so 576 is recurring. So this can also be expressed as 0.157657, and this goes on and on and on. So the 576 is recurring, the 1 is not recurring. So we can also express this as a sum, and by doing so we get 0.1 plus 0.0576 plus 0.0000576, and this also goes on and on and on. Again, expressing this in another form, we have 1/10, and we are basically expressing this in fraction form, plus 576 on 10 to the power 4. Since we move the decimal 4 times to get this, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and therefore we get this expression plus 576, and moving this 7 times we get this fraction, and this also again goes on and on and on. Now we factorize out the 576 out. We factorize the 576 out, and we'll later explain why. So this again can also be expressed as 1/10 plus 576 on 1000 or 10 to the power 4 factorized out, leaving us with 1 plus 1 on 10 to the power 3, and the next one of course is 1 plus 10 to the power 6, and this again goes on and on and on. So let's close our bracket. So basically we have to express this in various forms to get suitable values in which we can carve out a sequence from. Okay, so now this can also again be expressed as 10 to the power 3. All of this to the power 2. So 10 to the power 3, when squared, we simply multiply the exponent, giving us 10 to the power 6. Okay, so we close our bracket. First, this also goes on and on and on. So now, looking at this carefully, we have a geometrical progression. So this is our first term, and what is our common ratio? Our common ratio is of course 10 to the power 3, and this goes on and on and on. And remember, in geometrical sequence, we take any term and divide by the preceding term. So if we take this term and divide by this, we get 10 to the power 3. Okay, so now as I said earlier, our first term, taking this only, is 1, and our common ratio of course is 1/10 to the power 3. So now we use the formula a/1 minus r. This is the sum to infinity of a geometrical sequence, and a is again always our first term and r is our common ratio. So inserting our parameters, we have 1 over 1 minus r. Now r is also 0.001. So this is equal to 1 over 0.999. Okay, and this can finally be expressed as 10 to the power 3 on the denominator, 999. So we have our expression for the geometrical sequence in the expression, the entire expression. So now we come back to our expression, which is this, and let's see how we can again express this. So we have 1 over 10 plus 576 on 10 to the power 4, and this has been expressed as this. Okay, so this is multiplying 10 to the power of 3 on the denominator, 999. So the 3 here is subtracted from the 4, of course, and we get 1 over 10 plus 576 on 9,990. Now adding these two together, we have the expression 1575 on the denominator, 9,990. We can break this down as 35 on the denominator, 222, and this is our final answer. Now I'm going to leave you with an example, and please solve it and leave your answer in the comment section. So the question is, express 0.162 with 6 and 2 recurring in a fraction, of course, in its lowest term. And the answer you should be getting is 161 on the denominator, 990. Thanks everyone for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you everyone.